I'm learning about something I really love. It's great.
My dad's a doctor. He didn't get to do what I'm doing till he was in medical school.
It makes school a lot more interesting because I get to choose a program for me.
I'm going to graduate high school with an associate's degree and save my family thousands of dollars.
I can honestly say I love school.
Need more reasons to apply? Keep watching. Fort Worth ISD Gold Seal Programs of Choice and Schools of Choice are changing the high school experience, taking subjects and careers that interest students, building a solid curriculum around them, and then engaging and really inspiring students to learn and succeed.
How? With on-the-job, real-world learning, classes taught on college campuses, and opportunities for internships, licenses, certifications, and even college credits. Think of it as a private school education at a public school cost.
Gold Seal categories? Where do I start? There's engineering, agriculture, broadcast journalism, culinary arts, fine arts, government and law. There's health science, marketing, technology, digital gaming, and more, a lot more.
Fort Worth ISD is giving students the skills they'll need for the 21st century workplace. And no matter their college or career plans, Gold Seal Programs of Choice and Schools of Choice are money in the bank.
Take the Early College High School Program of Choice. Students attend high school on the northwest campus of Tarrant County College. They can actually graduate with a high school diploma and an associate's degree. That can save parents thousands of dollars in college costs.
And for students who need to work to pay for college, Gold Seal programs are golden. Take the Fire Science Technology program. Students can graduate as actual firefighters.
Another great example, the Aviation Technology program. Students can earn their airframe mechanics certification and college credits all at the same time. Why is this a big deal? Think about this for a second. Wouldn't you rather have a job that pays $18 an hour instead of $8?
And some Gold Seal programs put students on college campuses to learn in college classrooms. They actually see themselves as future college students. A big help for anyone, but especially first-generation college goers.
Another big help, each program has multiple pathways. That means there are opportunities for every student at every skill level. Opportunities for success.
My pathway? Broadcast journalism and media technology. I got to cover events right alongside the professionals. I was accepted at a great university and got a cool job my first year in college. I'm the video editor for TCU News Now.
You know, I really see the Gold Seal program as a pipeline. I would, though I'm an engineer. But they really are a pipeline to supply companies with a well-prepared workforce. So Gold Seal is a win-win for the business community and especially for the students.
And if you really want a unique high school experience, you've got to check out Fort Worth ISD's Schools of Choice. There's Trimble Tech, that's the school I chose for architecture. It's really great.
I want to be a pediatric heart surgeon, so I'm learning all about science at TAPS, the Texas Academy of Biomedical Sciences. It's a partnership with the University of North Texas Health Science Center, the University of North Texas, and Tarrant County College, Trinity River.
The district also has 2 outstanding single-gender schools. I am a student at the Young Women's Leadership Academy, or YWLA. I get so much support there from teachers and other students.
We go to YMLA. That's the Young Men's Leadership Academy. We learn so much every day, academically
and socially, everything we need for success in a global society.
3, 2, 1, ready, go.
As we said, a private school education at public school cost. Something for everyone.
And it all comes down to the power of choice. The power to choose courses of study based on personal interests and passions, and the power to take ownership in your education.
Find a program that's right for your child. It's your choice. Learn more at fwisd.org/choice or call 817-814-2580. Also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Look for the hashtag FWISD Gold.